Hello! Going out for dessert tonight. Going with my friend Chelsea. Little date night with my friend. This is the bag that we're going to wear. I was influenced to get this by my cousin Annette. Because all my bags are like tiny and this is massive. I can literally fit my head in it. I offered to drive tonight, so I feel like I am taking her out on a date because I'm the one driving, you know. Yeah, I'm wearing this top from Dish. I'm wearing this skirt that I got from a rent rack. And then this bag, I should say, I got it from Sooo and Sand. So we're bringing my purse, I'm bringing my keys. Don't think I need my lip gloss. It's the long weekend, so it's nice and like the weather is perfect. Yeah. How you doing? Hi Chelsea. Where are we going today?
An engagement party.
Who's engagement? Engagement.
Who's engaging?
Who's engagement?
Kobee?
It's mine. Oh, you know what?
Jokes, it's mine today.
It's mine. Are you kidding? I got my nails done, so it's mine.
Getting ready for proposal.
Yeah, proposal.
I'm gonna bring you a fake ring and I'm gonna propose to you.
Please do. Please. I'm actually wearing the ring you got me.
I noticed. It looks so good with the other ones.
Thanks, baby.
You ready?
Yeah, so
Ready.
it'll take me like 20 minutes to get you.
Yeah.
Would that be enough time for you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll message you when I'm outside. Okay, I'll see you soon. Yum, I'm hungry. Let's not forget the actual dress. We are taking this. This is probably a lot, but and I know the dogs are out, but I got my toenails done. It's all ready to go. Let's go pick Chelsea up. Guys, it's so pretty. We made it. So that's what it looks like. We've got the kitchen, the bathroom. Let's turn the light on. It's very pretty actually. Very cute. Is this real marble? Yeah, it is. Cute. Loving the interior. Look at the chair. Now we're just gonna grab our stuff. That's the dress. That's stuff. During restaurant hours. Oh look, let's do that. But where's the menu?
Is it in it?
I think it's this one.
Ah.
One of our team will be with you shortly. Please continue to hold. Thank you for calling Pancho's Pizza and Pasta. One of our team will be with you shortly. Please continue to hold. Thank you for calling Pancho's Pizza and Pasta. One of our team will be with you shortly. Please continue to hold.
I just want food, please. Actually, do you get hangry?
Pancho's Pizza and Pasta.
I do. I'm getting there. Hi. Hi. Can we get food delivered to Clare Country Club?
Yeah, sure. What are we after?
Yay, amazing. Could we please have Meat Lovers Pizza?
Yeah, what size is that?
The large, please.
Yeah, so did you, just so you know, the deliveries don't start until like after 5:30.
Oh no. It's all good. We've got an event, so we're just trying to figure out where to get food. You might just have to pop in and order something.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay, thank you.
See ya.
Bye. Babes, I don't think I could last 2 more hours without food.
There's some vinegar chips here. It's going to cost you $5 though, but you don't have to pay for it.
Should I just drive?
I think that's the only way that we're probably going to get food at the moment.
Maddie's getting ready and look at her dress.
In desperate times.
I'm gonna go find food. Do you want to come with? Or just...
I'll literally eat whatever.
Okay.
This rate.
Like, see you, girl. We're just gonna go grab food. Baby, I'm so sorry that I have to drag you out.
Why? Because you want to go alone.
I don't want to go alone. If I go at...
so sorry. You need moral support.
At this rate, my neck hurts and I'm hungry. So...
I have to feel the wrap of that Chelsea feed her.
That's so good.
Thank you.
This is making me feel better, although I think it's my neck that's making me grumpy.
Yeah.
Chippies, and now I'm sad because they gave us a burger instead. Alright, I'm just gonna sit down for a minute and eat in peace.
Katrina needs to calm down. She's meltdown.
Do you want some chicken burger?
Yes, please.
Here. Food.
Is it good?
With it. Do you have your country music playlist on? That is so cute because we're like country pop. That's the vibe.
That is so good.
Isn't it? I'm doing my happy dance. I'm obviously happy.
She's got food. She's doing this sort of thing.
Yeah. Literally.
Calm down.
See, I just need food.
Simple girl.
Simple girl. I can get ready in 20 minutes.
I can't. No. Did you bring a mirror cart or no?
I think I'll have this slice of pizza and one more. And then I'll get ready. Yeah. Guys, I'm so happy now. Are you excited for tonight?
Very.
Are you gonna test me?
Yep. Ready?
Sparks fly. Better than revenge. Long leave. I told you I can do it. I know places.
Okay. You are Taylor Swift's biggest fucking fan.
Yeah. Time for me to ride the car. What do I say? Guys, we're all ready. This is the outfit. You're gonna make me cry. Oh, Katrina! Hi, girls.
Hi, Katrina.
Hi, girls. Look at my girls. They look so beautiful. Cute. Guys, oh my god, my teeth! It's alright. It's alright. This is why I got the girls this. Thank you. Renee, good idea?
Great idea. Amazing idea.
She was judging me, and now look who's got one.
You're so cute.